A giant owns a beautiful garden that he wishes to keep all to himself. The garden flourishes with life. At dawn, the golden sun stretches its warm fingers across the grass, waking the flowers from their gentle sleep.
The breeze tiptoed through the leaves, whispering soft secrets only the butterflies could understand.
The flowers swayed like tiny dancers, painting the garden with colors. The birds, cheerful and free, fill the air with music so sweet that even the clouds paused overhead to listen.
Proud peacocks strutted across the grass, their magnificent feathers shimmering like jewels. Now and then they fanned their tails as if applauding the beauty of the garden itself.
The giant's garden wide and green, where blossoms dance and birds were seen. We played each day in shade and sun. Oh, how our laughing hearts would run! The grass was soft, the flowers bright, peach trees glowing, pure delight. Birds sang sweetly from every bough. The world was full of magic now. This is the most beautiful place on earth, a land of joy, a land of mirth. How happy, how happy, how happy we are! Our garden of dreams, our shining stars. But one fine day with thundering stride, the giant came from far and wide. 7 years gone with his friend, the Cornish ogre. He turned his journey over.
What are you doing here? And frightened children ran to hide. My garden is mine, mine alone. Play somewhere else. This is my own.
He built a wall so strong and tall, a warning board beside the wall. Trespassers will be prosecuted. The selfish heart was undisputed.
The poor children had now nowhere to play. They tried to play on the road, but the road was very dusty and full of hard stones, and they did not like it. They used to wander around the high wall when their lessons were over and talk about the beautiful garden inside. How happy we were there! How happy we were there!
Then the spring came, and all over the country there were little blossoms and little birds. Only in the garden of the selfish giant, it was a still winter.
The children sighed with heavy hearts, their laughter gone, their joy departs. Spring came dancing through the land, but not where the empty garden stands.
The birds did not care to sing in it, as there were no children, and the trees forgot to blossom. Once, a beautiful flower put its head out from the grass. But when it saw the notice board, it was so sorry for the children that it slipped back into the ground again and went off to sleep. The only people who were pleased were the snow and the frost.
The snow covered up the grass with a great white cloak, and the frost painted all the trees silver. Then they invited the north wind to stay with them, and he came. He was wrapped in furs, and he rode all day about the garden and blew the chimney pots down.
Snow and frost were glad to stay. North wind roared in icy play. Hailstones drummed a stormy tune. In the giant's garden it was always June, June of winter.
The selfish giant sat at the window and looked out at his cold white garden.
Winter here, no child's voice for us to hear. Let the winds and hailstones fall, no spring shall touch his frozen wall.
One morning, the giant was lying awake in his bed when he heard some lovely music.
On the next tune, soft but strong, the giant rose in sudden cheer.
At last, spring must be near.
He looked outside and what a sight! The world was bursting into light. Through a tiny hole, bold and small, the children climbed back past the wall. In every tree a child we see, branches bent in harmony, blossoms bloom and flowers rise. Spring has opened bright new skies. But in a corner, cold and still, winter clung with bitter will. A tiny boy, too small to climb, cried beneath a frost-bound pine. And when the giant saw his tears, his heart grew warm for the first time in years.
Oh, how selfish I have been. Let spring return, let love begin.
He lifted the child with gentle care, and blossoms burst into the air. Birds sang sweetly, colors glowed. The children saw his goodness shine. They rushed back in a merry line. Spring returned with dancing feet, warmth and joy in every beat.
It is your garden now, my friends, a place of love that never ends.
With one great swing, the wall fell down, and peace filled every tree and town. Years passed by as years will do. The giant aged his strength with dew. He watched the children laugh and play, his garden bright in every way.
flowers, it's true. But the children are the loveliest blooms that grew.
Love can melt the coldest heart, break down walls and heal each part. The giant's garden blooms above, a paradise of endless love.
What a powerful message. Compassion and love can melt the stoniest heart.